Adding extra baggage in Air France flight, it's pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can add extra baggage in your Air France flight. So for that, you have to go to their website. As you guys can see, I'm already at their homepage. You have to go to the book a flight section, and here you can select the flight you want to book. Suppose I'm just going to do this randomly to show you guys exactly how it will look, and then I'm just going to go for search flight, and it will show me all the flights. Suppose you just have to fill these information carefully. I'm just doing this randomly to show you guys, and then you just have to select any of the flight, and I'm just going to do it in the light, and it will take you to this page. Now what you have to do, you just have to keep on filling the information until you reach here, which is extra option. And in the extra options, you guys will be able to see the option for extra baggage. You just have to check that option. Most probably it will cost you some extra money for the extra baggage. You just have to pay the extra money in the payment section for the extra baggage. Or if you guys have already booked the flight and you just want to add the extra baggage, you just simply have to sign into your account, and in your account you guys will be able to see your booked flights. You just have to go to that option, and in that option you guys will be able to add extra baggage option as well. So that's how you guys can add extra baggage if you have already booked the flight. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can get extra baggage while booking your flight in Air France. Hope you guys find this video helpful.